Hi guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go on my nature walk real quick to collect a ton of wood. Hopefully the rain has stopped and or cleared up and is gonna stay that way. But I need to hurry and gather up wood first before we're in the clear. Because I don't want this wood to get wet, because if it gets wet then it's gonna be harder to start the fire. But we are gonna figure this out. So, you ready for this, guys? I am. I was born ready. I was born ready for this. So, alright. Take my hair, fix my hair. Take one more sip of Monster before I get back. I can't carry it with me. I'm carrying a ton of wood. There's no point. Alright. Alright, here we go. Oh. Gotta get the crate. I'll be back. I'm going on a nature walk. I'm going on a nature walk. I'll be back.
Alright, be careful what you're digging up.
I'm not digging. I'm collecting wood. Alright. So, as you can see, I have my crate. And yeah, it looks like the rain stopped and it was just drizzle. So, pants are always falling down. Swear to God, I lose any more weight. These pants do not fit me. Hang on. Let me fix myself. Yeah, there we go. That's much better. So yeah, it's a lovely day. A bit windy out, but other than that, it's not a bad day out. I hope it stays like this so that I can like do everything that I plan on doing. I got a lot of cool stuff planned for us today, guys. You're gonna appreciate it. Even if you don't. Well, I don't care if you don't. If you guys don't like it and you don't like me, then y'all can just fuck off. No. I think most of you guys like me. Right? I hope so. I don't know. So we're gonna be breaking up wood, which is like large sticks and things, and putting them in this crate. And we're gonna bring it back here so we can get our fire started. And we're gonna work on our clay pots. And once those clay pots are ready to be put on the kiln or the fire pit, then they will have been. I don't know. Then we will have done it. Yes. And then I'm going to I don't know. I guess paint them? Yeah. Paint them, because like what else am I gonna do? And then I'm gonna use them and maybe sell them, maybe trade them for whoever who wants one, I guess. Could even be a prize in some instances. Yeah, no, I guess a small smudge bowl would cost like about $5 depending. And then, stupid fucking pants, dude. Swear to God. They just keep falling off my ass. I feel good though. I'm glad that I'm losing weight. Like, it was shitty for so long. Hang on. You know what? I have to put my hoodie in my pants because I literally lost that much weight. It's insanity. It's insanity how much weight I lost, guys. Yes, I am carrying my phone in the crate. I need to light my cigarette, but you know what? I'll save it for the way back. Yeah? Does that look cool? That look cool? I don't know. I think I look like a weirdo carrying a crate, a phone in a crate, and talking to the crate and the phone. Most people must be like, what the fuck is she doing? I don't know, you guys know what I'm doing, but nobody else really, I don't think. But you know what? That's okay. So I don't really care what people think or how they perceive me. As long as they're not out to hurt me. Which 90% of the time no one is. Then I don't make a point to make enemies with anybody, so. Okay, here we go. We got a big stick right here. Ourselves a big stick. Just gonna try and fit as much of it in the crate as I can. Get all these little twiggies. Put them in there. All your weight on it. There we go. Alright, so we got that. Oh yeah. Right on. Oh, right on. Wait. Here we go. Ah! You guys are falling in the twigs. It's alright. I'm gonna pull you out in a sec. Alright. Yep. So I'm like collecting wood. As much of it as I can carry, I guess. And we're back at that same park. Same park we collected the clay. Nice little park that I have. You know? It's always nice. It's nice to have a little park place, you know? Alright. Now, to show you guys what collecting wood and bark and sticks is all about. Just find as many of them as you can and pick up as much as you can. It's like little loggies. Like you gotta grab as much wood as you possibly can, you know? Alright, the fig fell out, so that means I have to eat it. Well, not eat it. Not eat it, but smoke it. Or it's just gonna go to waste. Alright. There we go. Pick up each thing. I'm gonna light my cigarette. There's one more. Oh, there's actually a couple more, as you can see. I don't know if you guys can see this. Oh, there's a lot more. Look at that. We're gonna have to grab as much of it as we can. Like I said. Alright. Wait. Got a nice little bundle there. Alright. Alrighty. We're getting as much wood as we can. Little logs. Think that's enough for now? Yeah, I think that's plenty. That all in there. Alrighty. Way back should be fun. You guys will catch me next time. And I will be making pottery and a fire. Isn't that beautiful? I think it is. Alright, well don't forget to subscribe. Natty out.